this is an SFS concealed door hinge. There's 3 lots of adjustment on these hinges. One part of the adjustment is to unlock these 2 fixing screws here, and then either this one or this one moves the door forwards in the frame or backwards in the frame. To lock that off, you must lock these 2 screws. There's 2 other types of adjustment in these hinges. This is the up and down adjustment. There is one of these at each end of the hinge. By loosening one and tightening the other, you can clearly see the movement in the hinges. By loosening that one and tightening the top one, you can see the movement down. The third part of the adjustment in the hinge is to move the door towards the lock side or the hinge side, like so, which moves the hinge in and out to adjust accordingly.